कोई नहीं बोलेगा, शुरू हो जाता है।
Hello. Okay, so guys, can you hear me? Anyone please confirm? Okay, I think I'm audible to all of you, right? Okay. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Mahendra Kadwasra, and I have completed my BTech from IIT Guwahati. Today, I will be discussing about CBSE sample paper analysis. So, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि 12th बोर्ड पेपर कैसा होगा, कितने मार्क्स का होगा और कितने क्वेश्चंस होंगे, और मार्किंग स्कीम के बारे में भी अपन डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है? So, let's start. I have a sample question paper, right? जो CBSE ने अभी अपलोड किया है, आपने उसको देखा होगा. अगर नहीं देखा है तो अपन इसके बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, guys. Okay, I think I'm audible. Varun, can you please confirm? Anyone please confirm? Am I audible? Okay. So देखो, अपना पेपर होगा वो टोटल 80 मार्क्स का होगा, करेक्ट? Okay. Okay, I will tell you complete, right? So 100 मार्क्स का टोटल मैथ्स का पेपर होगा अपना, राइट? उस 100 में से 20 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन रहेगा, वो इंटरनल असेसमेंट रहेगा. इंटरनल असेसमेंट जो कि आपकी स्कूल की तरफ से भेजा जाएगा, राइट? दिस विल बी 20 marks, and after that will be 80 marks, and that will be subjective paper. That will be subjective paper, guys, right? That will be subjective paper, right? Total is 100 marks. 20 marks will be internal assessment. So these 20 marks will be sent by your school site, right? And 80 marks will be subjective paper. अब उस 80 मार्क्स का सब्जेक्टिव पेपर में कौन से टॉपिक का कितना वेटेज है, ठीक है, और कौन से टॉपिक से कितने मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं उसके बारे में अपन डिस्कस करते हैं, राइट है? तो जैसे कि सैंपल पेपर में गिवन है 80 मार्क्स में अपने पास में सेक्शंस होंगे, सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, सेक्शन सी, सेक्शन डी एंड सेक्शन ई, करेक्ट? आई होप you can see the screen, guys. There will be section A, section B, section C, section D and section E, right? So section E में अपने पास में 18 plus 2, total number of questions will be 20. Total number of questions will be 20, right? Or every question will be of 1 mark. So total will be covering 20 marks, correct? In section A, we will be having total 18 plus 2 questions. That will be 20 questions, and each question will be of 1 mark, right? 18 questions will be MCQs. So this part will be MCQs, right? And 2 questions will be assertion reason, assertion and reasoning question, right? 2 questions will be assertion and reasoning question. So complete question 20 questions will be having 1 mark. So this section will be covering 20 marks out of 80, right? In section B, so in section B, there will be how many questions? Just a minute. Okay. In section B, we will be having 5 marks, 5 questions. In B, we will be having 5 questions, and every question will be of 2 marks, right? So it will be covering 10 marks complete. correct? And these 5 questions will be very short type, very short type, very short type. That means very short type means answer will be either in 1 line, 2 line, or 3 line maximum, right? So these 5 questions will be covering 10 marks. Each question will be of 2 marks, correct? And after that, section C, in section C, total number of questions will be 6. And in section D, you will be having 4 questions. And in section E, you will be having 3 questions, right? And these 6 questions will be having each question having of 3 marks. So that will be covering 18 questions, 18 marks, sorry, right? These 6 questions will be covering 18 marks, and every question will be of 3 marks, correct? And this is short type questions. This is short type questions. Short type questions. So these will be 6 questions. After that, in section D, you will be having 4 questions, and every question will be of 5 marks. Every question will be of 5 marks. So total number, it will be covering 20, right? 4 questions will be covering 20 marks, and every question will be of 5 marks, correct? And that will be long type of question. Long type questions. You need to explain every step by step, right? So this will be 20 marks, and then it will be 3 more questions in section 3, and that will be of, every question will be of 4 marks. So total will be 12 marks. Total will be 12 marks, correct? Like it is written also, 3 case study based questions will be there, and every question will be of 4 marks, right? So it will be covering 12 marks. Now total marks will be, you can check it is happening 80 or not. This is 12, 32, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80, right? Total marks will be 80. Total will be 80 marks. Guys, any doubt till now in 80 marks? Anyone, please? Om Chauhan, yeah, tell me. Okay. Om Chauhan, any doubt? No, sir? Okay, no. So this will be 80 marks, right? Now every chapter or every portion or every part of your book is also divided, right? So how it is divided, that we will be discussing here, right? First part is relation and function, right? First part is relation and function. Second part is algebra. In algebra, you are having 2 chapters, right? That is matrices and determinants. And determinants, right? And third part is integral part. Integral part. Fourth part is vector and 3D, right? Vector and 3D. Fifth part is linear programming. Very easy chapter. That is not even in JEE Advanced, right? That is only in JEE Mains. Linear programming. And last part is probability, right? Okay, weightage of all the parts, it is also decided by CBSE, right? So from this relation and function part, total number of questions or total marks will be 8 marks, right? 8 marks questions will be there from this part, from relation and function, right? And after that, algebra. So in algebra, we have 2 chapters, matrices and determinants, correct? So from algebra, total marks will be 10 marks. 10 marks questions will be from algebra, that is matrices and determinants, right? उसके बाद में अपन डिसाइड करेंगे, बताएंगे उसका रिव्यू करने के बाद में पेपर का कि कौन से चैप्टर में से कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ठीक है? सो वो भी अपन देखेंगे. As of now, this algebra will be covering 10 marks out of 80 marks, right? After that, integral part. So integral part will be covering 35 marks. 35 marks out of 80, right? क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ा पोर्शन है अपना क्लास 12 का. इंटीग्रल पार्ट का जो चैप्टर्स हैं, राइट? सो these chapters are, first one is limit, continuity and differentiability, LCD, right? These 3 chapters will be there. after that MOD is also there, method of differentiation, right? Then AOD, application of derivative, and then integral part, that is indefinite integration. Indefinite integration will be there. Fifth is definite integration is there. Definite integration is also there, right? After that differential equation. Differential equation, right? And after that area under the curve. Sixth chapter is area under the curve. Area under the curve. This is integral part, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chapters are there. These 7 chapters will be covering 35 marks out of 80, right? So this part is very, very important and very easy also to score, right? After that, vector and 3D. So vector and 3D will be covering 14 marks. Vector and 3D will be covering 14 marks out of 80, right? These two chapters, and after that very, very easy chapter. ये बोल सकते हैं कि ये फ्री के मार्क्स हैं तुम्हारे लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग के, and that will be covering 5 marks. Correct? This is the easiest part of this book or class 12. And after that, probability. So probability will be covering 8 marks. Correct? The 8 marks equations will be from probability, right? So now you can add. If I'm getting total as 80, this is add 13, 17, 27, and that is 32, 62, 72, and 80. Okay, total marks will be 80. 80 marks will be there. Correct? So guys, any doubt till now? Varun, Om, anyone? Okay, Subham. So देखो, I think we have already completed most of that part. Vimresh, no sir. Niranjan, what sir? Niranjan, I'm asking if you have any doubt till now कि कौन से पार्ट में से कितने मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस आने हैं, कौन सा पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वो आप अपने यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो, राइट? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन वेरी इजी, राइट? एंड आई थिंक रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन सब जगह पे अभी कंप्लीट हो गया है. एल्जेब्रा भी मोस्टली कंप्लीट हो गया है. इंटीग्रल पार्ट भी कंप्लीट हो गया है. और वेक्टर एंड 3D, लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी, राइट? These 3 part of your class 12, I think remaining, right? And in next coming 1 month, we will be covering vector and 3D and linear programming. I hope so. We will be covering probability also, right? So till now, any doubt, guys? किसी भी चैप्टर में कि कौन सा चैप्टर को कहां से कैसे करना है? ओके, दैट वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस, राइट? कि कौन सा चैप्टर कहां से करना है और कैसे करना है. ओके, okay. So see, first books that I want to recommend for your board exams. First, complete NCERT, right? First, complete your NCERT book with examples, right? Examples are important, guys. Examples are important. जो examples होते हैं हर एक exercise के पहले, these examples are very, very important, है ना? तो most probably एग्जाम में तुम्हारे एग्जाम्पल से पूछेंगे, या तुम्हारे पास जो एक एक्सरसाइज होती है मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज, राइट? मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज, उसमें से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे, राइट? तो एग्जाम्पल्स और मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज को तो कंप्लीट बहुत अच्छे से करना है. एक बार नहीं, 2-3 बार, 4-5 बार अच्छे से कर लेना है, ठीक है? तो वहां से तुम्हारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. उसके बाद में इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड एनसीईआरटी 5 times 6 times, then you need to complete NCERT exampler, right? NCERT exampler I will recommend. Not only me, CBSE is also recommending, right? CBSE ने भी recommend किया है कि NCERT exampler को solve करना है, ठीक है? उसके बाद में NCERT exampler solve किया तो उसके बाद में तुम्हारे पास RD शर्मा का बुक होगा, RD शर्मा solve करो, ठीक है? RD शर्मा को complete solve नहीं करना है, अपने टीचर से पूछ लो, या फिर प्रीवियस ईयर के 10 years के क्वेश्चन पेपर देखो, उसमें से आइडिया लो एक कि कैसे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? वही क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने हैं, सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं सोल्व करना है, ठीक है? आरडी शर्मा इज टचिंग जेईई मेंस लेवल, राइट? सो आरडी शर्मा के सारे क्वेश्चंस को सोल्व नहीं करना है. अगर तुम्हारे पास टाइम है then definitely you will be solving all the questions from RD Sharma. But if you don't have much time, so at least जो important questions हैं वो या तो अपने टीचर से पूछ के टिक करवा लेना कि ये क्वेश्चंस तो पक्का करना है अपने को, राइट। उसके बाद में RD शर्मा अगर किया तो उसके बाद में एक और जैसे बुक है, नोटबुक, मतलब फॉर एग्जाम ओनली, दैट इज पब्लिश्ड बाय दिल्ली education board, that is support material, right? That is support material that is by education department, that is from education department of Delhi board, right? Department of Delhi board, करेक्ट ना। सो ये जो सपोर्ट मटेरियल है, ठीक है, इसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं और बहुत ही रिलेवेंट मटेरियल है, तो ये मिल जाएगा आपको गूगल पे, राइट। और हम इसको इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी इसका लिंक डाल दूंगा मैं, ठीक है। जिसको ये सपोर्ट मटेरियल चाहिए और प्रैक्टिस के लिए क्वेश्चंस चाहिए, उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा, तो वहां से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, ठीक है। दीज आर द वेरी वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस टू प्रैक्टिस, राइट। These are the very very good questions for board exam only. So from here only you can practice, right? इतना कुछ करने के बाद में I hope कि you can get 80 out of 80 marks, right? इससे ज्यादा आपको कुछ भी सोल्व नहीं करना है। आप पहले एनसीईआरटी सोल्व करना है, एनसीईआरटी कंप्लीट करने के बाद में एग्जाम्पलर कर लो, एग्जाम्पलर कंप्लीट करने के बाद में आरडी शर्मा कर लो। अगर तुम्हारे पास में सफिशिएंट टाइम है तो आरडी शर्मा को कंप्लीट कर लो, राइट। अगर सफिशिएंट टाइम नहीं है तो क्या करो कि आरडी शर्मा के जो अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम ओनली, वो अपने टीचर से पूछ के वो अपन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। निरंजन इज सेइंग समथिंग, राइट। आफ्टर आरडी शर्मा you can solve support material, right, that you will get from the description box. I will be uploading that, correct? Okay, that is the strategy to get 80 marks out of 80, right? And that is what I did at my time. When I wrote the exam, I solved only NCERT and RD Sharma, right? और मेरे को अच्छे मार्क्स मिले थे, ठीक है। ओके गाइस, सो अभी अपन देखते हैं कि जो अपने पास में एक सैंपल पेपर सीबीएसई ने अपलोड किया है, उसमें कैसे क्वेश्चंस हैं और क्या मार्किंग स्कीम है, जैसे अपन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, लेकिन वन बाय वन क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं और देखते हैं कि कितना क्वेश्चन सोल्व करना है, कैसे क्वेश्चंस को अप्रोच करना है, ठीक है। कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप फुल करेंगे तो अपने को फुल मार्क्स मिलेगा, करेक्ट गाइस? ओके ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। If A is equal to Aij, all the elements of Aij is a skew symmetric matrix of order n, then which will be the correct option? Guys, can you try? Can you try, guys? Yes, Subham, Varun, Om, Niranjan, Jamin, Vimas. Guys, please try and tell me which will be the correct option. Guys, can you please try? सैंपल पेपर का एक पोर्शन अपन सोल्व करने का ट्राई करेंगे। मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी आई विल बी सॉल्विंग टुडे, एंड अगर टाइम रहा तो कंप्लीट पेपर सोल्व करने का ट्राई करेंगे। आई थिंक 38 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, करेक्ट? सो नेक्स्ट 30 मिनट्स में, 35 मिनट्स में जितने भी क्वेश्चन सोल्व होते हैं अपने से ट्राई करते हैं, राइट? Om Chauhan is giving the answer as C. Subham is also giving the answer C, correct? Right? So we are discussing about skew symmetric matrix. See guys, that we have already discussed in very detail. Yeah, Wimmers is also giving the answer C. Everyone is giving the answer C. Okay. Skew symmetric matrix, that means A transpose is equal to negative of that matrix A. Correct? This is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. And if you solve that, then you get two very important results. First important result is all the diagonal element, right? Principal diagonal element, principal diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements will be zero, and determinant of that skew symmetric matrix will be zero. These are the two very very important results that you must remember when you are preparing for JEE at least, right? So if you remember that principal diagonal element will be 0, and that is given by aij will be equal to 0. Why ij? But here it is given I equal to j, right? I is equal to j. That means a11, a22, and a33. If I'm talking about 3 by 3 matrix, or if I say ki I'm talking about a matrix of order 3, then a11, a22, and a33, these elements will be 0, right? And that is given in the option C. So option C will be the correct answer, right? Option C will be the correct option. Guys, can you solve the second one? If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A transpose is equal to -3, then value of determinant of A into A transpose. So Varun is giving option A. Subham is also giving answer A. Okay, right? So that we already know ki determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose, right? Guys, yeah, correct. Option A will be the correct answer. So determinant of A will be equal to determinant of A transpose. This is the first result that you need to remember. And second, determinant of A into A transpose, that can be written as determinant of A into determinant of A transpose, right? So determinant of A is given, not a determinant of A. A transpose determinant is given, that is -3. So this will also be -3, and -3 into -3, that will be +9. That will be +9. So A option will be the correct option, guys, right? I hope most of the students gave me the correct answer. Yeah. Okay. Third one. Guys, can you solve third one? Yes. Anyone? The area of a triangle with vertices A, B, C is given by. That is again direct formula or direct result that you need to remember, right? Say this is your triangle. This is your triangle, and this is your A vertex. This is B, and this is C. Vimmers is giving option B. Okay. So those who have already completed that vector part, they can give the answer. Otherwise, it is okay, right? This is vertex A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C. Say this is vector AB, this is vector AC. So whenever we need to calculate the area of this triangle, we need to calculate half of determinant of A cross AB vector cross AC vector, right? This is the formula for area that we have already covered in determinant. Vectors. Vector we did not complete till now, but in physics part, I think you have already discussed this thing, right? If not, it is okay, no problem. We will be discussing in vector. So only thing that you need to take care whenever you are writing the area in vector form, this starting point must be same, right? Then only this will be 1 divided by 2 into determinant of AB vector into AC vector, right? This starting point must be same. That we will discuss, don't worry about that. As of now, you just remember that the area of triangle is given by 1 divided by 2 into determinant or modulus of, not determinant, sorry, modulus of AB vector into AC vector, right? Because this is cross product will be a vector, and if I take modulus, then I will be getting a scalar value, right? So this will be the correct option, that is B. That is B. We must the option B. Yes, option B will be the correct answer. Anyone? Next, question number 4. Guys, can anyone solve question number 4? The value of k for which the function is continuous at x is equal to g, x is equal to 0. Pooja is saying C, Subham is saying C. Okay, Vimas is also saying C. That is, I think, very, very easy, right? Okay, Jamin is also saying C. I think, guys, very, very easy, right? Limit question. So, if it is continuous, that means LHL will be equal to RHL, will be equal to value at x is equal to 0, right? Value at x is equal to 0. So LHL and RHL will be defined by this function only, right? and value will be k. So that directly I can say limit x tending to 0. This will be 1 minus cos of 4x whole divided by 8x square, and that value will be equal to k. Correct? Now you need to calculate the limit that we can easily solve. Correct? Guys, tell me which method should I use here? Yes. Subham, which method should I use? I think Subham is the first one who gave me the correct answer. See, this is 0 divided by 0 form. I expanded cos. Okay. So what else we can do? What else we can do? This is 0 divided by 0 form. So we can use LH rule, right? That will be the easiest one. Otherwise, what we can do? We can use the formula, right? I'm giving you method one. Method one is LH rule. So this will be limit x tending to 0. This is 1 minus cos 4x, right? And whole divided by 8x square. So this is 0 divided by 0 form. That means we need to differentiate numerator part and denominator part separately. Correct? So that will be what? That will be limit x tending to 0. This will be sine 4x, and minus is already there. Minus minus will become plus, and that is 4 whole divided by, it will be 16x. Correct? This is again 0 divided by 0 form. So again we need to use LH rule. So again if I use that, limit x tending to 0, that will be 16 cos 4x. Correct? And that will be divided by 16 only. Now if I put x is equal to 0, I will get 16 divided by 16, that is equal to 1, and that is equal to k. Correct? This is the first method, guys. This is the first method. Other method, like you can use the formula, right? Limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos 4x divided by, this is 8x square. This is 8x square. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for 1 minus cos 4x? Yes, Pooja is there. 1 minus cos 4x and 1 plus cos 4x. I think these two formulas we are discussing. Yeah. So that is nothing but 2 limit x tending to 0. This is 2 sine square 2x whole divided by, this will be your 8x square. Then this will be getting cancelled out. This is 4. Now this we can simplify it as limit x tending to 0. This is nothing but sine 2x whole divided by 4x square we have in denominator part, right? So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. So I can write this complete thing as sine 2x divided by 2x whole square. Correct? Now you might be remembering the result, that limit x tending to 0, sine x divided by x, that is equal to 1, guys, right? That is equal to 1 if and only if this angle is equal, right? If I have x here, so I will be having x here, then this limit will be equal to 1. Correct? So that value will be equal to 1 square, that is 1. So value of k will be equal to 1. This is how we can solve. Whatever method you use in limit, I have explained n number of methods. You can use any of the method, but your answer must be correct, right? Okay, guys. Next question. Question number 5. Can you try? I think this is the very easy question. F dash x is given. F dash x is given, right? F dash x is given, and we need to calculate fx. So that means we need to integrate. Correct now? This is, we need to integrate, and if fx is given and we need to calculate f dash x, then we will be differentiating. Varun is giving answer B, Pooja is giving answer B. Okay, so that we can directly solve, right? The integration of f dash x with respect to x, so dx, that will be equal to x plus 1 divided by x and dx. Correct now? So that will become fx, that is equal to x square plus, not plus, okay, plus, and 1 divided by x is ln x, and that to mod. Why I'm putting mod, that also I explained many times. Why I'm putting always modulus? So that argument of log will be positive. Correct? And that will be plus constant. That will be plus constant. So which option will be the correct option? second option will be the correct option, right? X square divided by, this is x square divided by 2, sorry, है ना? So x square divided by 2 plus ln mod x plus constant. Okay, guys, this will be the correct answer. Next one. If m and n respectively are the order and the degree of differential equation this, then m plus n will be okay. Those who have already covered this differential equation part, they can tell me the answer. Anyone? What is order and degree? Order and degree of differential equation. Order is nothing but highest derivative term. Highest derivative term. Highest derivative term, that is the order of differential equation. And what is degree? Degree is power of highest derivative term. Highest derivative term. Correct? What do you mean by highest derivative term? Highest derivative term means if I am differentiating first time, that is y1. So this is first derivative. Y2 means second derivative. Y3 third derivative, and so on. Right? So if I solve this one, guys, so derivative d by dx of this is nothing but dy by dx. First I need to solve that to power 4, and that is equal to 0. Right? If I differentiate that, what I will get? This can be treated as x to power n. So this will be 4 into dy by dx to power 4 minus 1, that is 3, into chain rule I am using, guys. Right? Chain rule I am using. So first will be differentiation of dy by dx to power 4, then differentiation of dy by dx. So that will be dy by d square y divided by dx square. Correct? And that is equal to 0. Correct? Now we need to check the highest derivative term. Pooja, can you tell me what is the highest derivative term in this expression now? Highest derivative term is second derivative, right? This is first derivative, this is second derivative. So this will be second derivative. This will be order. Yeah, this will be order. And we need to check the power of second derivative term. So we need to check the power of d square y divided by dx square. And what is the power? Power is 1. Correct? Power is 1. So that will be degree. That will be degree. So I hope order and degree is very clear, right? Again, I will explain. Order is nothing but highest derivative term we need to check in the given equation. And for degree, we need to check the power of highest derivative term. Correct? So order I am having 2 and degree is 1. Correct? So answer will be m is 2, n is 1. So add 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Guys, this is the answer that I am getting. Just check. Everyone is getting the same answer? Okay. Next, the solution set of inequality. This is from linear programming. This is from linear programming, guys. Those who have covered, they can tell me the answer. Anyone? Okay, I will solve. This is inequality, right? 3x plus 5y less than 4, right? So that can be written as 3x plus 5y minus 4, that is less than 0. Now I can draw this is linear equation in 2 variables. So graph will be a straight line, right? Graph will be a straight line. So if I draw the graph, this is your y-axis. Just a minute. This is x-axis. This is your y-axis, right? And then if I draw the line, so if I put x is equal to 0, then y will be equal to what? 4 divided by 5. And if I put y is equal to 0, then x will be equal to 4 divided by 3. So points will be 4 divided by 3, 0. This will be the 1 point, and second point will be 0, 4 divided by 5. So this will be okay, something like that. This will be the straight line. This will be the straight line, right? Now what we need to check, this is less than 0, right? this is less than 0, that means this portion we are talking about. That means this portion we are talking about, guys. If we have been given 3x plus 5y minus 4 that is less than equal to 0. If we have equality sign also, then I will be considering all the points on number are all the points on this number line also, right? But we have only inequality sign, so that means I will not be considering the points that is on the given line, right? So this portion is required portion according to the given inequality, right? Now we need to check options. An open half plane not containing 0. See, this portion is containing origin, so this is wrong, right? An open half plane containing the origin, we can discuss about that. After that, third, the whole xy plane, that is wrong, right? Third option, why third option is wrong? Because we are talking about this portion only, not this portion, right? According to the given inequality, so this portion is not included, right? So third option is also wrong. A closed half plane containing the origin, it is not closed half plane, right? Not closed half plane. When we will be saying the when we can say this closed half plane, when all the points of on number line, when all the points on number line are also considered, then that will be closed half plane. When it will be closed, right? When it will be closed, so it is also incorrect. So option B is correct option, right? Option B is correct option. Why option 4 is incorrect? Because it is given a closed half plane. Closed half plane will be when we will be having equality sign also, right? When we will be having equality sign also, but we have already one sign, that is inequality less than, correct now? So this will be the correct option, guys. Okay, next, the scalar projection. Scalar projection, right? Projection formula you already know. And why it is given scalar projection? Because answer will be a scalar value. It is given as scalar projection, so that we can if projection, that you already know formula, projection of a vector, projection of a vector, that you have already covered in physics also, right? Projection of a vector on b vector, that will be given as a vector dot b vector divided by modulus of b vector, correct? That we need to calculate. So dot product will be 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 into 2, this will be minus 2, minus 2 into minus 3, that will be plus 6, whole divided by, so that will be square root of b, right, on the vector. So this is the b, right? So this will be 1 square 1, 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9. So that will be 9 minus 2, 7, 7 divided by root 14. 7 divided by root 14. So option first will be the correct option. Option first will be the correct option. This question you can solve from physics also, right? This is the first chapter or second chapter you study in physics. Guys, please respond if it is clear. Okay. Niranjan is saying yes, sir. Okay, very good. Okay, question number 9. 9 is from definite integration. Definite integration. Definite integration. And that is from very easy side, right? We have integration of x divided by x square plus 1 dx from 2 to 3, right? Limit is from 2 to 3. So how to approach that? Either you can directly solve, or we can say x square plus 1 is equal to say m, correct? So that will be 2x dx is equal to dm. What I need x dx. So x dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 dm, correct now? So according to that, limit will also be changing, right? If I am saying, see, in this question limit is for x, but I am changing the another variable, that is m. So now limit will be for m only, right? So if x is 2, then m will be what? Then if x is equal to 2, then m will be 2 square plus 1, that is 5, right? That is 5. And if x is equal to 3, guys, then m will be what? 3 square plus 1, that is 10. That means this will change into integration of 1 divided by 2 dm divided by m will be there, and limit will be from 5 to 10. Now limit will be from 5 to 10, correct? Now you can use, this is nothing but ln mod m, and limit will be from, sorry, 1 divided by 2 is also there, 1 divided by 2 ln mod m, and limit from 5 to 10. Then you can use, this is 1 divided by 2 ln 10 minus ln 5, and this can be written as 1 divided by 2 ln 10 divided by 5, that is 2. That is divided, sorry, that is 1 divided by 2 ln 2. Which option is correct? Option C. Option C is the correct option, guys, right? Om Chauhan, it is correct or not? Definite integration we will be covering after this, that definite indefinite integration, guys. Okay. Next question is, if A, B are non-singular square matrices of same order, then A, B inverse power minus 1. Not power minus 1, this is inverse. Inverse of this matrix, right? Inverse of this matrix. Yeah, can you calculate? This we have already discussed. So this portion we have already discussed. Can anyone tell me the answer? Inverse property. Okay, inverse property, right? So this is A, B inverse and inverse, right? Inverse of this A, B inverse, we need to calculate. Option C, everybody is saying option C. Okay. So inverse property is A and B inverse, right? So if I'm taking inverse, this will be the first. So B inverse, that will be A inverse, and B inverse will be B only, and this will be A inverse. Correct now? Very easy property we have already discussed. So option C will be the correct answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 11. Question number 11. The corner points of the shaded unbounded feasible region of a LPP are 0,4. Sorry, points are given, right? 0,4, 0.6, 1.6, and 3,0 as shown in the figure. Okay, then minimum value of objective function. Minimum value of objective function we need to calculate. First thing, it is given as unbounded feasible region. Okay, unbounded feasible region. So for that, what we need to check? We need to check the corner points, right? This is the corner point. This is the corner point. This is the corner point. We have 3 corner points, and we need to put all these corner points in the objective function, right? For the minimum, we need to check. So Z minimum we need to check. For Z minimum, all the corner points I will be putting in the objective function, and I will check the minimum value. Correct? So if I put first, if I put 0,4, what I will get? I will get 24. Correct? And if I put 0.6, 1.6, so Z minimum will be what? Just check. 0.6 into 4. This will be 2.4, and that 6 into 1.6, so 9.6, right? That is equal to 12. Okay, that is equal to Z minimum is equal to 12. So this will not be the point. Okay. Next point we need to check 3,0. So if I check 3,0, so Z minimum will be what? This will be 4 into 3 plus 0. That is also 12. So on these two corner points, right? On these 2 corner points, I am getting minimum value of objective functions, right? This point and this point. Okay. So which option will be correct option? First is wrong, second is wrong, third and fourth, right? We cannot directly say कि C option will be the correct answer, guys, right? If you have covered this portion, then you must be knowing कि if any objective function is having maximum or minimum value on 2 corner points, then that objective function will be having maximum or minimum value on all the points that will be connected with these 2 points, right? Or what else we can say, if I join these 2 points, right, or on this line, infinite points are there, right? On this line, infinite points are there. So at every point, right, Z minimum will be 12. Correct? That we will be covering. Don't worry about that. And those who have already discussed, they might be knowing this thing. if any objective function is having minimum value or maximum value on 2 points or 2 corner points, right? So this objective function will be having minimum value or maximum value on or every point that will be meeting these 2 points on, I can say on all the points that will be on this line only, right? That we will be discussing. So C option will not be correct. D option will be the correct option, guys, right? D will be the correct option. Okay, 12 is very easy, guys. Determinant of this is equal to determinant of this, then possible values of us. So that is the very easy 2 minus 20, that is equal to, this will be 2x square minus 24. So directly we can calculate, this will be minus 38, right? Minus y 40, 20, no? This is 20, this is 220, this is 2x square minus 24, okay. So that will be, how much is that? Minus 18, 6, okay, 3. X square is equal to 3. That means x is equal to plus minus root 3. X is equal to plus minus root 3. So option D will be the correct answer. Correct? Option D will be the correct answer. Question number 3. Yes, guys, can you tell me the answer for question number 3? Anyone? Question number 13. Varun is saying B, Subham is saying B. Okay, that is very easy, right? The determinant of A is given. So determinant of adjoint of A, that will be equal to determinant of A to power n minus 1. Correct now? And order is given, order is 3. So that means this will be determinant of A to power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So that is determinant A square, right? Value will be 5 square. Value will be 5 square. Okay, guys, this is the easy one. Like if I go a little bit above, so if I ask determinant of adjoint of A, can anyone tell me what will be that? Can anyone tell me what will be that? What is the value? Same question I am telling, but this time we need to calculate determinant of adjoint of A. Anyone? Yes. Please give me the answer, guys. I'm just reading your chat. Anyone? Om, Subham, Varun, Pooja, Niranjan. Determinant of adjoint of A. इसका मतलब है कि बोर्ड का लेवल तक स्टिक रहे तब तक ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाते ही तुम्हारे हाव भाव चेंज होते हैं, राइट? Subham is saying 625, right? So that in the class itself I discussed, for that formula will be what? Determinant of A to power n minus 1 whole square. Correct? So that will be determinant of A n minus 1, that is 2. 2 square is 4. Correct now? So that is 5 to power 4. So 5 to power 4 can be written as 625. Answer will be 625. Very good. Subham, thank you so much. Answer will be 625, right? And same derivation we have completed, right? If I say determinant of adjoint of, and so on, adjoint of A. If I ask this one, and if I say ki adjoint we have, say R times, then what will be the value? Niranjan, that we have already discussed in the class. So you can watch the recordings also, right? Can anyone tell me what will be the value of determinant of adjoint of A, and these adjoints I am having R times? Can anyone tell me? From my batch, anyone? That we discussed. Yes, anyone? Yes, very good. Subham, very good. Subham, very good. Om Chahan. That will be determinant of a to power n minus 1 to power r. Right? अगर थोड़ा सा आप जेई मेंस और एडवांस की तरफ जाएं तो दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? दिस जनरलाइजेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना? ऐसे फॉर्मूला तो तुम रट लोगे, बट अगर थोड़ा सा जनरलाइज्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिया जाएगा तो तुमको उसका डिराइवेशन पता होना चाहिए, राइट? वेरी गुड गाइस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Given two independent events A and B such that probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.6, and then we need to calculate probability of A dash intersection B dash, right? That is again very easy side. Two independent events are there, right? Two independent events are there. So if independent events are there, then we can directly say if P of A intersection B, that can be written as P of A into P of B. Direct result, right? Not result directly. We will be deriving that formula also. But those who have already completed, Varun is saying C. Okay. Yeah, answer will be C. Don't worry about that. But if A and B are independent events, then A and B will be independent, and A dash and B dash will also be independent events, right? Independent events, right? So that means P of A dash intersection B dash will also be P of A dash into P of B dash. So that P of A dash means 1 minus P of A and into 1 minus P of B. Then just use the given value. So this will be 1 minus P of A. So that will be 1 minus 0.3, that will be 0.7 into. This will be 1 minus 0.6. So 0.4 is there. So answer will be 0.28. Correct? This will be 0.28. Answer will be 0.28. Now next is the general solution of the differential equation y dx minus x dy, that is equal to 0. That is very easy again, guys. Now what we need to do, y dx that is equal to x dy. Just bring this x in denominator, so that is dx divided by x, that is dy by y. Just integrate both sides, so that will be 1 divided, integration of 1 divided by x is ln mod x, that is equal to ln mod y, and that is plus constant, right? That is plus constant. See guys, answer is directly given, x is equal to cy square in terms of c, and if we solve, so answer will be in terms of e to power something, exponential term. So what we can say, this exponent, this constant term can be written as ln constant, ln c, right? Ln c. Then we can solve. So this will be ln mod x minus ln mod y, that is equal to ln c. This can be written as ln mod x divided by y. This is ln mod x divided by mod y, that is equal to ln c. Now you can cancel this one. So this will be x is equal to yc or cy. Correct? X is equal to cy. Now x is equal to yc. We don't have any option, right? So what we can write, y is equal to what? 1 divided by c into x, and this constant we can say take another constant. So y is equal to c dash x, right? Y is equal to c dash x. Option will be C. C option will be the correct answer. Correct? C will be the correct answer. Okay, next 16. If y is equal to this, then 1 minus x square into y2. Y2 means double derivative. Y double dash, right? We need to calculate this value. Can anyone tell me the answer? Okay, so y is equal to sine inverse x. If I differentiate this one, so dy by dx, that will be equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Correct or not, right? And this can be written as y1. Y1 I am getting 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Correct? 1 minus x square, just cross multiply. So y1 into square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Correct? What I need the value of 1 minus x square into y2, right? So again, I need to differentiate that one. Y1 into differentiation of this will be 1 divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square, and then it will be minus 2x into minus 2x. Correct now, guys? Just check the calculation. y1 into minus 2x divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square, then plus, then this will be the constant 1 minus x square, and differentiation of y1 will be y2, that will be equal to 0, correct? Now this 2 will be getting cancelled out, correct? Now this will be getting cancelled out. Okay, so y1 minus y1 I am having, and this will be minus y1 into x is there, right? And this is square root of 1 minus x square, that is plus square root of 1 minus x square y2, that is equal to 0. Now what we need to calculate? This value we need to calculate. Very good. So minus y1 into x, that will be minus of, this will be multiplied, right? This will be multiplied, so this will become 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square, so whole square, and that is y2. Minus minus will be getting cancelled out. y2 into 1 minus x square, that will be equal to y1x. I'm getting answer as y1x. Is there any option? Okay, option A. Option A I am getting, guys. So option A is the correct answer. Correct? Option A is the correct answer. See, answer we need to calculate as 1 minus x square into y2. y2 means double derivative. So y is given. First I differentiated that. So y is equal to sin inverse x. dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. That is y1. I just cross multiplied and again differentiated. And if I solve that, I will be getting directly value of y2 into 1 minus x square. That is y1x. It is clear? Guys, please respond. Write in the chat box if it is clear. Okay, very good. Very good. Next question is, if two vectors a vector and b vector are such that a vector is equal to, magnitude is given, right? Magnitude of a vector and magnitude of b vector is given. A dot b is also given, and we need to calculate magnitude of a vector minus 2b vector. Correct? This is again very easy side. Magnitude of a vector minus 2b vector, that we need to calculate, right? And guys, this thing I discuss again and again in my class, that this can be written as square root of, this is nothing but the magnitude of a vector minus 2b vector square. Can I write this one? Right? Can I write this one? And this is nothing but square root of, right? This is square root of a vector minus 2b vector dot a vector minus 2b vector. Correct? That we need to calculate. And this can be written as square root of, this will become magnitude of a vector square, this will become minus minus plus 4 times magnitude of b vector square, and that will be minus 2 times from here, 2 times from here, so minus 4 times a vector, sorry, a dot b. Correct? And values are given, so that we can calculate square root of magnitude of a square, that is 4, and that is magnitude of b square 4 times. Correct? Correct, guys? Okay, so 3 square is 9, 9 into 4 36, and minus 4 times 4. Correct? So that we can calculate 40 minus 16 24, square root of 24. Answer I am getting square root of 24. That is not given, that is given in the form of this form. So 2 into square root of 6 is as square root of 24, right? Are correct or not, right? Square root of 24 can be written as square root of 4 into 6. Then we can take this 2 out, so this will be 2 root 6. This will be 2 root 6. Correct? So option B will be the correct answer. Okay, this question is from 3D part, right? So those who have already discussed or covered this chapter, they can try. Otherwise, this question can be solved from coordinate geometry also, right? Guys, this question can be solved from coordinate geometry if you guys want to solve. If you guys want to solve and you did not cover this 3D part, still you can solve from coordinate geometry, right? P is a point on the line joining the points A and B. If the x coordinate of P is 6, then Z coordinate is. Okay, guys. So just try to solve these questions, and in next video we will be solving the remaining questions. Right? I hope till now it is all correct, all clear, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now, because next remaining questions I will be discussing in next video. No doubt, sir. 19C. Okay, 19C. Okay, guys are telling me the answer for 19, right? Yeah. So those who have taken my class, they can directly say if this way, this reason is wrong, false, right? R is, it is called question, not question. Okay. Thanks, Abdul Rahman. Thank you so much for correcting me. That is just accent problem, nothing else. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. And in next video, we will discuss the remaining part of the sample paper. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.